Hello everyone and welcome to another live from the workshop, and this is number 2 in my TARDIS series, and today we are going to be making the Monk's TARDIS. Now, actually this is going to be one that I can do fully in front of you because I have the room, more or less, to actually show the construction of some of the smaller pieces. So this is probably going to be one of my first scratchbook ones that you're actually going to see it, its entirety, hopefully. So anyway, enough talk, let's get on with it. Okay, so here is my finished Monk's TARDIS. I'm pretty pleased with it. Obviously, I tried to do it as best in scale as I could to the 5-inch range. You know, it's slightly taller than I would have liked, but I think it looks good and it goes really well. I think it's going to look good. I may well follow this up with a Monk figure to go with it, but that might be a while off yet. But, so yes, that is the next one of my TARDIS. Next up, we will be creating the Side Rat from the War Games. But that is all for this video. As always, I hope you enjoyed it. Like, favourite, subscribe, share. It really helps me out a lot. And I shall see you all with another video very soon.